Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy and ik maak video's.
Mostly of Yiddish.
Welcome to Monday, April 7. Vandaag, live. Simcha Rez. Hello and welcome. Simcha, how you doing? First person, yes. Good for you, Simcha. How was your day? Was het mijn aan het overgetoon? Oh, nice. Good for you. So empty. Alles voor dir. Zo viel wie als hier, hè? We kunnen daar doen is een Leidig special voor dir. Dat is rumgepoilt. Alles geht. Das ist sicher und sicher. Gehad geheet een interessante Hershey. Seltzer guy. It's called Yum Yum. It's getting out of hand. That's why they stick out their hand. Yankee T. Seltzer guy, how was your day? Hershey. How was your day? Yankee. How was your day? Guys, geben noch ein paar Minuten, aber ich habe gesehen, ein YouTuber, noch kein Mensch angebunden im YouTuber, Kurtz Kaz heißt er, 3.3 million followers. Of the title, I investigated a Jewish cult in Guatemala. So, it's a music video and it's very funny too. S. Weiss, hello and welcome. How are you? We have a new guy, S. Weiss. I don't think we ever saw S. Weiss. Van wie bist du? Hold on. The Zwicky band. Oh, 10 a.m. 4:10. Nicht hand. The notifications is schon ungezinn. Es singt sehr schein. Libby faded. Hello, welcome. Can't decide what the Guatemala that was in your screen. Deze gaat mijn hand. Deze wil ik gaan reviewen. I'm a KJ boy. Nice. Laat me zijn dat we zeggen ook die allemaal. It's a 4-minute video. Alright. I had a thing, my worker lost his keys and I was looking for it for 2 hours. Okay. And wat is getroffen? We kennen het naar drumroll. Wat is getroffen? It's a good music video. Benny G. A guten Abend for you as well. How you doing? How was your day? Hope the numbers worked out. Check the cameras, but nothing. Oi, vai Yankee. Okay, so ik wil echt ga mijn review in de Guatemala video, but let me get my fango with them. Yum Yum. What a name from a video. Thank you, Hashem. YouTube channel. So kick those the AI, so let's see. Kol Chavadim checking his car, still nothing. Oi vai. Checking in the Häusen. Baruch Hashem. I'm just stressing liever. Alright. De ding heißt Yum Yum. Wanneer heb me deze erover geliked? 23 hours ago, 12,000 views. Okay. Let's jump into it.
Yeah, Jolix, Stickler horse, fresh out of our bringing.
Yeah, grease bang. Ki Vassus Paroi Beroich Foi
Zoek maar dat de ganze video is AI, I the music.
Baya
Ich meine, I the lyrics, but jetzt tracht ich sie nicht English, so I'm sure they don't have it that well yet.
Yum 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 Fishy swishy yum 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 Sudas I live your son
Mit der whale in the back. Gut.
Yum yum
They're vibing with a joke? Ah, okay. Featuring Afikoyman Man and Mandy Wirch. Wirch? Okay.
Yum yum
The singer is AI as well. This is my question.
King Vasus Paro Beroch Lobayam
the horse has some fine vision, has this. Brooklyn. Shalom. Hello and welcome.
Paro Beroch Lobayam Yum 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 yum
Ich weiß schon, wo der Horse the mom of Carly B. But it does.
Swishy yum 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 Soudain ça lève your song Yum
Hadden wij zo clever chanson. French.
Fishy swishy yum 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 Soudain ça lève your song Yum 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 Yummy yummy You could bring a horse to a fire bringing And you could also make him drink Clink clink
Oh, weiß man sucht heb ik. You can bring a horse to the water, you can't make him drink. We kennen hem ja.
Clink 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 clink
Everything is good. Hello and welcome.
You can bring a horse to the fire bringing
Galiba de character had a tube. Like moeder van wasser.
And you can also make him sing
En het is meer als een puppet. Via caricature.
Sing 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 sing
Parry pulling up with the third.
Key
Para pulling up with a ferd.
Sing sing
Parry pulling up with the third.
Key Vassus Paroi Beroich Foi Bayam
Yum.
Yum yum
Yum.
Yum yum Fishy swishy yum 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 Soudain ça lève your son Yum 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 yum
De mol zoekt de yam.
You could bring a horse to a fire bringing
Bring that horse.
And you could also make him drink Clink clink
Yeah.
Clink 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 clink
Stick a horse.
You can bring a horse to the fire bringing And you can also make him sing
Galib de kleine tube.
Clink clink
Yankee, wo het niet gekend zoeken?
Stick a horse.
You can bring a horse to the
Family Weissman. Hello and welcome.
fire bringing And you can also make him sing
Galib de kleine.
Sing 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 sing
Van wo zijn de fish de schrokken? Don't fish live in the water in the first place? Boss Nation. Guten. How you doing?
We be fire bringing with the Yiddish when Mashiach
How was it there?
Together in the suit, that's how I live, your son. We be eating that big fishy, swishy, yum, yum. That live, your son.
Surprisingly, there's ganz a groovy song. Ganz a groovy. Nicht schlecht.
That go clink, clink, clink. We be winning from the beginning like the Yiddish be doing forever. We'll be sitting with the
Ah, mit der Banana.
King, fishy, swishy, yum, yum, yum. You could bring a horse
horse to a fire bringing, and you could also make him drink. Clink, 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 clink.
Cling, cling. Cling, 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 cling. Money. Money talks and bullshit walks. What's the joke that you can bring a horse to a Fabrengen?
And you could also make him drink. Ding, ding.
Ring, ring. Ching, ching.
Andy, you could lead a horse to the water, but you can't make him drink. Who made that up? Dr. Seuss? I'm some Daisy. No shakers. Hashtag TYH. Hashtag if I bring in too hard.
Nine family wise.
Hashtag popped off the back of the wagon of the Baal Shem if I
Oh, okay. Popped up the wagon, the Baal Shem Tov.
bring in hardcore.
Ich kann sehen, dass sich unten in der car and man soll es actually enjoyen. Nicht actually paying attention mehr zu der Wörter. Ich habe es gegeben mal like. Ich habe es gegeben mal like. Human Realist. Booby. How you doing? Okay, so echt, wir wollten reviewen. Habe noch Jens herangeworfen. Whoever hat das geschickt, thank you. Vergessen, wer hat das gewiss heißt das suggested. So, ich habe herangeworfen in der Video. Es ist von YouTuber Kurtz Kaz. 3.3 million subscribers. The video heißt I investigated a Jewish cult in Guatemala. Ich habe das gesehen, strictly hooked gewesen. Bis nicht viel gewatscht, was er kommt. And let's get into it.
Good morning from Guatemala City. We've come to investigate.
Seht ihr mich so der Weg, wie er redet? Ich kann es nicht machen auf meine Videos. Welcome to Minnesota.
An
Ich meine, ich kenne ja, aber es ist viel zu sehr.
extreme Jewish cult left to hold.
He doesn't meet any leftovers. Penny was hard to weg door the situation. It's got me kicking body language.
That have been accused of some
Heinous.
seriously shady stuff.
Oh, shady.
They were founded in Israel. They've got about 300 members living right here in Guatemala. And
They mentioned Mr. Amtizan research.
just the other day, police raided their compound, which is just outside of the capital, and rescued over 160 children from there. So, let's go and see what that's about.
Penny. Damn it. It's okay, it's okay. In zama zijn door Guatemala.
And of course, the day that I try to film, the Guatemalan people decide to protest against the government and shut the whole city down, block off the roads, etc. Which will make this video a lot harder to do. But hey, let's go for it. Now, before we start this video, we need to get some breakfast. Some traditional Guatemalan breakfast. Some fresh goat milk. Una copa. ¿Cuánto
Quanto costo?
es? 7.
What is he doing?
So this guy goes around with his goats and sells fresh goat milk. Check it out.
Talk about owning vending machines on the go. No way.
My good.
My goodness.
Puedo?
Dale.
Go ahead.
Esta montura, te voy a enseñar esta, mira. Esta, mira, esta se mueve.
This one is bigger, too.
So that's how you do it, guys. Squeezing the.
Agachale duro.
¿Dónde? Aquí.
Sí.
It's hot. Pero ¿cómo? ¿Cómo? Desde
Mira,
arriba.
ve. Así, mira.
¿Así?
Mira. Así, ve. Sí.
Okay.
Duro, duro.
What's he geschehen, do?
¿La viste?
Man, that feels weird.
Dale la otra si no puedes.
Oh man. Sorry, goat.
The goats zijn een
Oh,
single one.
goddamn. Let's try this one. Oh, there we go. I think we get in the hang of it.
Vet zat dit. Vind drinken right away.
Oh, shit.
The internet is niet goed. Tiddy-da-da-dee-da-da. Hold on. Lass mal sehen, was geht du für. Tiddy-da-da-da-da-da. Buffering. Tiddy-da-da-da.